Hi, I am your English teacher Iman. Let's start with reviewing the letters.
A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, P, P, Q, Qu, R, R, S, S, T, T.
That's it. Now let's review something else.
Eraser, ruler, pencil case, markers, big,
Big, كبير, big.
big, small,
Small, صغير, small.
tree,
Tree, شجرة. Big, كبير, small, صغير. Now let's open page 64. Animals. We'll learn the animals. تعلم عن الحيوانات. Let's start. Let's listen.
cat,
Cat,
dog,
dog,
mouse,
mouse,
horse,
horse,
sheep,
sheep,
cow,
cow,
goat,
goat. Let's listen to it again.
cat, dog, mouse, horse, sheep, cow, goat.
Okay, coloring time. Let's color.
The cow is green.
The cow is green. Cow, cow. The cow is green. Let's color the cow green. Okay. Let's continue. Horse. The horse is brown. The horse is brown. Horse. Yellow. The cat is yellow. The cat is yellow. Black, black. The dog is black. The dog is black. Orange, orange. The sheep is orange. The sheep is orange. Pink. The mouse is pink. The mouse is pink. A cat, a sheep, a cow, a dog, a horse, a mouse. Okay, now let's do exercise number 3. We'll listen a number according to what we listen. We have 6 animals: a cat, I believe a dog, a cow, it could be a cow, يمكن بقرة, a horse, a mouse, a kangaroo. نرقمهن حسب شو بنسمع. Let's listen to it twice.
Unit 3, page 65, exercise 3. 1. This is a cow. Number 1 is a cow. 2. This is a horse. Number 2 is a horse. 3. This is a mouse. Number 3 is a mouse. 4. This is a cat. Number 4 is a cat. 5. This is a dog. Number 5 is a dog. 6. This is a kangaroo. Number 6 is a kangaroo.
Let's listen to it again.
Unit 3, page 65, exercise 3. 1. This is a cow. Number 1 is a cow. 2. This is a horse. Number 2 is a horse. 3. This is a mouse. Number 3 is a mouse. 4. This is a cat. Number 4 is a cat. 5. This is a dog. Number 5 is a dog. 6. This is a kangaroo. Number 6 is a kangaroo.
Okay, let's do it together. Number 1 is a cow. A cow. بقرة. A cow. Number 2 is a horse. A horse. Where is the horse? This is the horse. Horse. Number 3 is a mouse. Where is the mouse? Here is the mouse. Number 3. Number 4 is a cat. Where is the cat? Here is the cat. This is number 4. Number 5 is a dog. Where is the dog? Here is the dog. Number 5. Number 6 is a kangaroo. Where is the kangaroo? Here is the kangaroo. Number 6. Let's look at this picture, exercise number 4. Okay, look at the pictures and let's decide what is big and what is small. نقرر إشارة إذا عنا big كبير ولا small. Let's look at them. Where is the sign here, big or small? Big, we have a big sheep. Hat, where is the sign here? We have a big, small hat, small, really small. Where is the sign with الإشارة? On the small egg, small egg. Where is the sign here? On the big book, the big book. Where is the sign here? Small horse, صغير. Where is the sign here? Small chair, on the small chair. Where is the sign here? On the small cow, the small cow. Where is the sign here? On the big pencil, the big pencil. Where is the sign here? Yes, it is in the small eraser, small eraser. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you next lesson. Have a great day.